Yeah, so we are in this subdivision over here. We have been invited by Anne from Adventures of Anne. They are already in the pool, so they invited us also so we can take a dip in the pool and enjoy with them. And while we are walking here, we can show you some houses, some really nicely designed houses here also. It's a subdivision with security guard, so probably very private area. And we are still in Angeles. This is Angeles City. Okay, we are looking for, look, even this house is gone.
Coming back here from the clubhouse.
Oh, they're coming back, so okay. We continue. What, they're done?
Yeah.
Done. You see?
Po, yung clubhouse, saan banda?
Dito lang pa sa dulo.
Malayo pa?
Malayo.
Diretsuhin ko lang to.
Pwede ka rin dito. Dito ka na lang. Tapos dire-diretsuhin mo na yung...
Ah, sige po. Thank you.
Dito ka na lang. Kasi maraming paliko-liko. Dito ka na lang.
Ah, sige po.
Diretso lang doon.
Okay, thank you po. It's nice subdivision, you know, this place. And it's quite... Yeah, that's her.
Oh, that's her?
Yeah, that's her. This one, she's... ano?
White one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at the dog, it's so cute. Hi!
Hello. I was expecting you in the pool.
Daming nagsiswimming.
Doon? Buti na nakabis ka na.
Oy!
Nakabis ka na.
Ako.
Oh.
What happened?
Ay, ang cute niya.
Get the dog,
Gusto
huh?
tingnan clubhouse?
Pwede din, i-vlog natin.
Hawakan
Ang cute naman niya.
ako doon ng atin. Baka maligaw ako. Hindi.
Friendly or no? No. Not
Friendly.
friendly.
Friendly, yeah.
So I can pet.
He barked at their dog and just
Oh, the dog, yes,
Yeah.
they do that. But it's okay, right?
Yeah.
But if I lose my fingers,
ano?
no, right? She said no. She's going to be responsible. Right?
Diretso ka lang doon. Tapos ganito lang. Oo. Para diretso.
So that's Anne.
Sabihin mo na kay Ate Linda.
Oy!
Sige. Abahan niyo Ate Linda. Diretso na lang.
Ang cute.
Baka maligaw.
Yours? Your dog?
Mm.
You know this dog?
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah, so, yeah, so you know, yeah.
She's the godmother.
Really?
Yeah.
Godmother of this dog, yeah.
Bye, Crypto.
Oh,
See you
Crypto.
later.
So going up in value.
May Superman.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Hello, guys.
Mm.
Hello. Okay, come.
Pakita ko sa kanila. Oo. Sige. Ba't di niyo pinasok yun?
2,000 years later. Six.
So we are here in Gilingan. Yeah, Gilingans, right? Okay, so this is our breakfast and lunch. So we have the fried rice. It's say good for 4 person. Yeah, probably. And this is chicken stir fry. And I have the pork liempo. So that's my ulam, pork liempo, and we have drinks. And I order also buko pandan, which is desserts after eating. So yeah, so let's eat, guys. So this is like after we went to the Vera Hotel. So this is like a walking street only, a walking distance only from that hotel. It's in Clark. Oh yeah, SM Mall. And I'm hungry also. So let's eat, guys. Yeah. Wait for you.
When you look my way, it gave me shiver. It's like I've